This video will demonstrate the use of the Report Crossing Features tool to locate intersecting line features such as break lines or contours. As you can see, we have two break lines displayed which are intersecting. So what we want to do is pull up a report on these to find out the elevation at the point of intersection. To do that, we'll use our task menu over here and go to the Terrain Model section. We'll click here on the Report Crossing Feature tool. Our heads-up display asks us to select Terrain Model. So we'll click on the Terrain Model. Next, it asks us to apply an elevation tolerance. If we select yes here, what we're telling it is that we want to use whatever the specified tolerance is to filter the data. If it's not selected, all crossing features are listed, even those that have identical elevations at the intersection. However, in this case, we're really interested in finding points of intersection where the elevations differ. So we definitely want to use the elevation tolerance. So we'll select yes. Here's where we set our elevation tolerance, and I want to pretty much get every differing elevation as long as they're not identical. So we're going to set that pretty low. And now you can see we get our report comes up. It graphically identifies the point of intersection and gives us an elevation difference of 1.499. This report and tool also enables us to make corrections. If we select this point of intersection and right click, we have several different options here. We can delete one of the features or the other one. We can insert a point into both features at an elevation that we choose. We can insert a point into both features at an elevation that is computed by averaging the two. We can insert a point from feature 1 into feature 2, from feature 2 into feature 1, or we can automatically fix both elevations. In this situation, let's go ahead and just insert a point into both features and an average elevation. As you can see, this resolves our conflict at the point of intersection. We can actually double check that by going back into this command. We'll select our terrain model element. This time we will not apply elevation tolerance. As you can see here on that same point of intersection that now the elevation on feature 1 and the elevation on feature 2 are equal and the elevation difference is 0.